Tranquillity is an off-plan development on a stretch of serene Manchester waterfront, located between the city centre and Media City UK. Property prices here have risen dramatically and are forecast to grow almost 25% by 2026, driven by huge investment and a buoyant jobs market. There's a wide choice of shops, bars and restaurants, plenty of green spaces and peaceful open water, with the city centre just 10 minutes away by tram. The development is tailored to modern tenant demands, with a gym, yoga studio, bike storage and concierge, as well as communal outdoor spaces and rooftop gardens. The 1, 2 and 3 bed apartments start from £225,000 and all come with either a terrace or private balcony, with many enjoying river views for an added sense of space. Forecast rental yields are estimated to be up to 6.6%, with a full management service available for investors, ensuring a hassle-free, easy investment experience. If you'd like to share in the Salford success story and enjoy stellar returns through the next phase of growth, register with North Property Group for further details.